This 2021 Jayco Octane 255 front queen bed slide, rear cargo is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, slide-out, air conditioning, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Octane 255 front queen bed slide, rear cargo is 6,665 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.